Hello friends! Today we have a very interesting topic, the new electric crossover MGS5 EV for the 2026 model year. It is a compact electric vehicle that essentially replaces the previous MGZS EV and is built on the modern modular MSP platform, also used in the MG4 EV. The long-range version features a single permanent magnet synchronous electric motor mounted on the rear axle, producing 270 kilowatts or 231 horsepower and 350 newton-meters of torque. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes about 6.3 seconds, and the top speed is around 175 kilometers per hour. The transmission is automatic with a single speed reduction gear, which is typical for most electric cars. The vehicle is equipped with a lithium iron phosphate battery with a capacity of about 64 kilowatt hours, providing a driving range of approximately 460 to 480 kilometers in the WLTP cycle. Fast DC charging up to 139 kilowatts is supported, allowing the battery to charge from 10 to 80% in about 28 minutes. The crossover features a 5-link rear suspension for better comfort and stability. Inside, there is a 12.8-inch multimedia touchscreen and a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, and the interior looks more premium compared with previous models of the brand. Thank you for watching, and special thanks for your likes. Subscribe if you love cars. See ya!